when everything is blocked in your life and everything you touch in life is always failure, and everywhere you go it looks like people will hate you forever, then you have to do this garlic and salt bath and your life will change for good. I personally did this spiritual work and I'm very thankful to Almighty God for it. So if you follow the instruction that I'm going to say in this video, it will work for you to 100%. So what you're going to do is very simple. For now, you're going to get rainwater. If you have rainwater, that's very good. And if you don't have rainwater, you can get seawater. If you don't have seawater, you can get beach water. If you don't have beach water, you can get well water. If you don't have well water, you can get spring water. Okay, use any of this water because they are much more powerful and because they are natural. Okay, but if you don't have them, you can use any type of water that you have. Okay, and now you're going to have garlic. Okay, these are garlic. For those of you that don't know what they are, these are very powerful spiritual items. In fact, evil people hate garlic. In the spiritual realms, evil people, wicked people, they hate garlic. Okay, that's one way to know this is because when you eat it or when you bath with it, you will see that people will be very, they don't like the smell. They are allergic to it. And in the spiritual realm, it's even more powerful if you know how to do this. So for this, you only need to get about three garlics. Okay, for the water, rainwater, you only need like maybe 1 liter, okay, of it, and you need sea salt. Okay, if you don't have sea salt, you can get any type of salt that you have. Okay, so essentially we're using rainwater, garlic and salt. These ingredients are very powerful. In the spiritual realms, they carry a high level of energy, and evil people, they run away from this. Bad luck run away from this. Okay, negativity runs away from it. Lack of opportunity, hatred, lack of purpose in life, they all run away in the presence of these items. That's why you want to make sure that you have this in your house every single time. Don't ever run out of salt, don't ever run out of garlic, and don't ever run out of rainwater. Okay, so once you have all these ingredients ready, you are good to go. And if you don't have them, it's all right. You can take your time to make sure you get these ingredients. So once you have them, you you have to make sure that you can rinse the garlic. Okay, just rinse it. You don't have to peel the skin because the skin is even more powerful. Okay, so all you need to do is just you're going to put this garlic, you're going to put it in the water just by like that. See what I've done? It's going to be in water like that, and you're going to take this salt, you're going to put just some in the water like this. Okay, you're going to put some in the water just like this, and you are going to take this water, you're going to put it outside where the sun rays, the sun energy can can make this even more powerful and energetic. But if you live in a place where it is not safe to put anything outside, you can just leave it on your window. Okay, you can leave it where there is a window where the sun rays, okay, can energize this. Just leave it there for 3 days. Okay, there's no rush when you do this spiritual work. Leave it there for 3 days. You will see that this water after the 3 days is going to be it's going to change color a little bit. So once that happens after 3 days, then it is ready to be used. Now you will now take it inside you are going to pray into it. You're going to say your intention that you are using this water to unblock your ways. You're using this water to open doors for you. You are using this water to change your story. You're using this water to attract all the good things of life into your life. You're using this water to make sure that you manifest a lot of money in your business, that you're using this water to attract rich people to you. You say your intention, you know where the shoe pinches, you know what the problem is, and it doesn't really matter what problem you are going through. This spiritual solution here can solve this problem so fast. So now, once you've done that, you are going to take this water, you are going to cover it up, and you will use this for the next 3 days. Okay, next 3 days. So this is what you will do when you're just waking up early in the morning. You will take your garlic and salt solution, you'll be adding it to your bath water. Since you're going to be doing this for 3 days, you're going to divide this water into 3. So you will add the first portion in your bath water the first day. You will add the second one to your bath water the second day. You can add the third one, the third portion to your bath water on the third day. So when you do your bath, you have to make sure that when you go to your bathroom, you have no bathroom slippers on, you have no chain on you, no earring, no bathroom slippers, no soap, okay, no towel. So, and you are going to use this water to bath. And when you bath, you have to make sure that you keep praying, okay? You pray fervently again. You reject those things that you don't want in your life, and you are going to attract those things that you want into your life, okay? And this water has to be the final water that you use to bath for that day, okay? You can do your normal bath earlier, but make sure that you use this water last to do your bath. And when you do this bath, please stay away from sex. Make sure you don't do this on your menses for you ladies. These are the spiritual rules that you have to follow for it to work for you 100%. Okay? So that's exactly what you want to do. After doing this, you will find out that your ways will open for good. Prosperity will come your way. Money will come your way. Okay? All these bad luck, negative vibes will vanish from your life, and things will start falling in place. People will start loving you. People will start blessing you from every part of the world, even from people that you don't know. That's exactly what that will happen to you. All right, so I want to believe that this is helpful. If it is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Okay, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. For more spiritual videos to help your life, watch these videos over there. They would definitely help your life. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. It is precious. Bye bye.